Hello students, today I will discuss the second part of conversion. In the previous video of conversion 01, I have taught you how to convert meter to centimeter, centimeter to meter, a kilogram to gram, gram to another gram. I have already discussed there. Now I have to convert meter square to centimeter square, centimeter square to meter square and all these things, meter cube. So this, you know, the meter square, this is the two dimension. Meter square is the unit of area, centimeter square is the unit of area also, and meter cube, centimeter cube, these are all the unit of volume. Suppose 1 meter square to centimeter square, how will I convert? Now what is 1 meter square? Look, 1 meter square, that means 1 meter into 1 meter. Meter square is there, that means 100 centimeter, because we know kilo, hecto, deca, meter, deci, centi, milli. The kilometer, meter to centimeter, that means this one, 1, 2. So 1 meter, that means 1 into 10 to the power 2 centimeter. This is 1 into 10 to the power 2 centimeter. That means you write here centimeter, you write here centimeter, that means 10 to the power 4 centimeter square. So 1 meter square can be written as 10 to the power 4. So 7 meter square can be written as 7 into 10 to the power 4 centimeter square. X meter square, x means anytime, can be written as that one into 10 to the power 4 centimeter square. This is the conversion. Okay. But if I go for 3, suppose 3 I am doing, number 3. Convert meter cube to, now number 3 I am doing conversion of meter cube to centimeter cube. What is meter cube? Meter cube is, that means 1 meter cube, 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. Why I am writing 3 times? Because meter cube is there. Okay. So this is 1 meter means 100 centimeter, this is 100 centimeter, this is 100 centimeter, because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So multiplying this we get 10 to the power 6, this is centimeter cube, centimeter, centimeter, centimeter cube. So 1 meter cube equal to 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube, and 1 meter square equal to 10 to the power 4 centimeter. So x meter cube or y meter cube equal to y into 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube. I hope you have understood how to convert meter square to centimeter square or meter cube to centimeter. It is very easy, right? It is very easy. Now we will go to some other part. Which one I will discuss now? This is centimeter square to centimeter. The opposite thing we will discuss now. That means centimeter square to meter square. Same thing we will do, centimeter square to meter square. Centimeter square to meter square. Look, say 1 centimeter square means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. That means centimeter to meter dividing by 10 to the power 2. Why? Look, centimeter to meter 2 part. That means dividing by 2. This is also 1. This is meter, and this is 1 by 10 to the power 2 meter. So 1 by 10 to the power 4 meter square. So 1 centimeter square can be written as 1 by 10 to the power 4 meter square, or 1 centimeter square can be written as 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. This one and this one. That means x centimeter square equal to x into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. Look, this thing is very much needed in math and physics also. Okay. So now meter cube to centimeter cube to meter cube we will discuss. Centimeter cube to meter cube. 1 centimeter cube. This one I am doing. 1 centimeter cube equal to 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. That means 1 by 10 to the power 2 meter into 1 by, because from centimeter to meter we are dividing it by 10 to the power 2. Meter into 1 by 10 to the power 2 meter. That is 1 by 10 to the power 6, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 meter cube. That means 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. So 1 centimeter cube equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. So y centimeter cube equal to, y means anything, 4, 5 or suppose 4 centimeter cube. Equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. So this is the answer. How to convert centimeter cube to meter cube and meter cube to centimeter cube. Right? Okay. Achha. Now another part I am doing. 1 liter equal to how much centimeter cube or how much decimeter cube we have to find out. So very, very important. What is the relation between liter and centimeter cube? Look, 1 liter equal to 1 cubic decimeter. 1 cubic decimeter. That means 1 decimeter DCM, 1 decimeter or 1 into 1 decimeter cube. That means, or we can write 1 decimeter into 1 decimeter into 1 decimeter. That means decimeter to centimeter we have to find. So kilo, hecto, decameter, deci, centi. So 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. That means 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube. So 1 liter equal to 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube. 1 liter equal to 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube. Right? So what is the relation between liter and centimeter cube? 1 liter equal to 10 to the power 3 centimeter cube. Okay. So it is very, very easy. So now we can convert anything. Suppose 1 liter equal to how much milliliter, right? The liter to milliliter, that is 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. This thing we have to know. Kilo, hecto, kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, kilo, hecto, deca, liter, deci, centi, milli. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Right? So this is the relation between liter and milliliter. This is the relation between liter and centimeter cube. And 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube. 1 liter equal to 1 decimeter cube. This is very important. Okay. So these are almost all the things. In the next video I will discuss some other part. You should watch the video at least 3 to 4 times. I think this type of problem you can solve it now if you watch the video very carefully. Thank you and thank you for watching. Hello students, this is the third video of conversion 03. This is, here I will discuss some problems of physics mainly. We know what is density, mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume is called density. So sometimes it is given that convert 3 kg per meter cube to gram per centimeter cube. This is a density, this is the unit of density in SI system and this is the unit of density in CGS system, right? So you have to convert 3 kg meter cube to gram per centimeter, kg per meter cube to gram per centimeter cube. This type of conversion, some students they are facing different problems in this type of conversion. But if you watch the video till to the end, I think there will be no problem for conversion of this type of thing. Suppose 3 kg. Now what is the relation between kg per meter cube and gram per centimeter cube? Relation between kg per meter cube and gram per centimeter cube. We have to at first understand. Look, 1 kg per meter cube. That means 1 kg by 1 meter cube. 1 meter cube. Right? That means 1 kg means 1000 gram. We know that because we have to convert in gram per centimeter cube. And 1 meter cube means 1 meter into 1 meter into 1 meter. That means 1000 gram This is 10 to the power 2 semi into 10 to the power 2 centimeter into 10 to the power 2 centimeter. We have already discussed in video 0 conversion 02. So this is 10 to the power 3 gram and it is 10 to the power 6 centimeter cube, right? So ultimately it is coming 1 by 10 to the power 3 gram per centimeter. What is that? 1 kg per meter cube. That means 10 to the power minus 3 gram per centimeter cube. So 1 kg per meter cube equal to this one. 1 kg per meter cube equal to 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3 gram per centimeter cube. This is 1 kg per meter cube, 1 by 10 to the power 3 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. So we can convert in the back process. That means we have to convert gram per centimeter cube to kg per meter cube. How will I convert? Oh, sorry. The question was 3 kg. Therefore, 3 kg per meter cube equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 gram per centimeter cube. So we have converted 3 kg per meter cube to, that means converting kg per meter cube to gram per centimeter cube, we have to multiply by 10 to the power minus 3, right? Now we will do the opposite thing, that means 3 gram per centimeter cube convert to kg per meter cube. We have to convert kg per meter cube, right? So at first we have to find relation between the opposite thing we are doing, just the opposite thing we are doing. Okay, kg per gram per, now gram per 1 gram per centimeter cube equal to 1 gram by 1 centimeter cube. Then 1 by 1000 kg or 1 centimeter cube means 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, right? Equal to, this is 10 to the power minus 3 kg and this is 1 by 10 to the power 2 meter into 1 by 10 to the power 2 meter. This is 1 by 10 to the power 2 meter. That means 10 to the power minus 3 kg. 10 to the power minus 3 kg by, this is 1 by 10 to the power 6. 1 by 10 to the power 6 meter cube, right? So we are getting 10 to the power minus 3 into this will go up 10 to the power 6 kg per meter cube. This is 1 gram per centimeter cube, right? 1 gram per centimeter cube. That means this is equal to 10 to the power 3 minus 3 plus 6, right? Minus 3 plus 6 kg per meter cube equal to 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. This is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So what we have got the relation, 1 gram per centimeter cube equal to 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. This is the relation between gram per centimeter cube to, suppose x gram per centimeter cube. X may be 1, 2, 3 for anything. So it will be x into 10 to the power 3 kg per meter cube. So for conversion of grams per centimeter cube, that is CGS to SI. This is CGS. This is SI unit. CGS to SI, we have to multiply by 10 to the power 3 and write the corresponding unit of SI system. And from kg meter to, from SI to CGS, we have to divide by 10 to the power minus 3. Okay. So these two things is very much important for the part.